active one night time, man, father, man, you know. Make your meds dark one night time, you know. That's it. Darkness alone we dwell in from baby days, you know. You know, so one night time, that is it, man. A bag of darkness one night time, man. Who no say buck up, you know. You dig me? You put your mind to it. You dig me? You know. Yeah. Breeze, to my dog, need of a portal of foot in it, you know. My portal, and that me did damage one night time. You see it, I just straight survival, any means to survive, but you know, say me do it 1 and 2 times, but me never take it serious. You see it, till the dog them say, yo, do it, cause you just need to be perfect. So comes, you know. Yeah, man. A dog, basically, a dog at the music, but a dog never know, say, me love the music like that one night time. I mean, as in like smoothly. And I like, what I'm trying to explain is that stocks. You understand? You know, I just see darkness, man, you know. Darkness.
Yeah.
You understand? You see, pray. So that's my mindset the one night time, you know. That is where most people get it wrong. And them feel the first thing come to mind is fraud. No. A bag of darkness one night time, man. A bag of darkness one night time, man. You know?
I don't think that is a particular charge, man. I don't know if them guys, I don't know if you ever read that in a news report, say, him go to jail for a bag of darkness.
Yeah, man.
So wait, how long you spent?
About 2 months and some days, man, you know.
How long ago was this?
About 3 or 2 years ago. A bag of darkness.
You see this friend?
If me see him, he
Well,
can't
he's
see
not a
me.
friend again.
If me see him, he can't see me. A bag of darkness one night time, man. And I just a solid truth, man, you know. A bag of darkness one night time, man. Yeah, man. They say they one night time, man. I did.
So wait, it's like the two of them did the thing together and then...
A bag of darkness one night time, man.
And that's how you know, say...
Yeah, man.
Ah.
Cause what you going on? Guys in the street, you know, the eyes them. A bag of darkness one night time, man. You know? Cause me is a man when me even too like go road, you know? Yeah, but a bag of darkness, me even have to go out, they go find out myself, you know? Yeah, they say them, man.
So is it because of this incident where it...
No, basically, the reason why because a bag of darkness one night time, man. And me have thoughts at the same time. And me find a way of it where people can hear my pain. You understand? Or me can listen to darkness. Yeah, man, I say.
Chopper.
That's it. One night time. You see me? Me now basically say, you understand? Means say, you understand? Yeah,
See
man.
that?
Kraff, I just love how you're just reframing and redefining everything. It's...
Yeah, man.
But I have to talk though, like listening to your songs, it really... I know. Is it so it's just me?
From what I hear now,
Yeah.
the sound different from what it sound like with the
Yes, alright, so let me show you an example. So for example, a bag of darkness one night time, man. Then, because basically, you understand, right? You understand? You understand? Yeah, man. We used to the world now, man. You understand? Everything coming like cakewalk to me now, man. You know? Yeah, man. That's why every performance me do, me say this a sleepwalk, man. Cause me do this while me lock me eye and I me dream me I do this, man. A bag of darkness one night time, man.